Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and if you've been watching any of my videos, you'll know that I spend a lot of time working on stuff on this bench. Now it's a motorbike bench which has got a hydraulic pedal to push it up and another lever to let it lower down. It's handy at times when you're trying to drain an engine out. You can pull this out, put the oil catcher underneath it, drain it out while you go for a coffee. But one of the things I did when I first got it to protect it was protect the ram. And I'm going to show you what I've done. Now when I first got this, I raised the bench up to its maximum height and put a plastic bag around the ramp, the hydraulic ram, to protect it, because you can see the amount of muck that's built up that comes down here when I'm working on machinery. Also another thing I did was I bought a piece of carpet. Well, they just gave it to me. I went into a carpet shop, asked them if they had any, and the advantage of this is when you're pushing down the pedal, the metal part doesn't hit your concrete floor and damage it. So there's just a couple of little tips if you ever get one of these benches. So there you are folks, if you ever get one of these motorcycle benches, there's a couple of tips for you to help out maintain it and make sure it lives longer. So until next video, take care, bye.